There's no marketing campaign that's one size fits all. I don't care who tells you otherwise. So as many people would love the idea that marketing is a one-size-fits-all approach, the reality is that it's not. Everybody thinks that, hey, if it's been done one time by somebody else that is in my same industry in a similar location, that we can just go ahead and take that exact same type of campaign and strategy and go put it into your market and assume that everything is going to work out. If it were that easy, there'd be a lot more people making a lot more money and being a lot more effective with marketing. Now, there's certain things that you can take from some campaigns that you can test out and try in your market, but it's not to say that it's 100% going to work the exact way it's worked somewhere else. And just because you're a roofer and there's another campaign that's out there on Facebook, let's say, that is working for a landscape design company, it's not going to add up and become this nice little easy puzzle piece to say, okay, we saw it work here. It's something that we're trying to do over here. Let's just make that happen. It's not that easy. There's so many different factors that go into a marketing approach, including budget, location, time of the year, the competitiveness of the market, and then also things like website, things like ad copy, things like the images and videos that are able to be used that then create the equation of all the different KPIs and metrics and numbers that you're going to get spit out for your marketing campaign. So you can't be comparing your marketing campaign to other people's marketing campaigns. Again, I understand it would make things a lot easier and be easier for you as the business owner, but that's why you need to work with an effective marketing company that understands what they're doing. If you try to do some of this stuff on your own at scale, it can be very difficult. Now, you always want to make sure that you're working with a company that understands numbers and data, because numbers and data tell the true story. Everything else is basically, opinions or theories. You want to go to the actual numbers of what is working and what is not. There's no marketing campaign that's one size fits all. I don't care who tells you otherwise. I've been doing this now for a little bit. I've worked with hundreds and hundreds of companies. We've spent millions and millions of dollars. We manage over $2 million a month in ad spend. I know a thing or two about this stuff, right? So it's really important that you get the right expectations set out for you as you start marketing campaigns, whether you're working with somebody or you're doing this on your own. Just because it's worked somewhere else, even if it's in the exact same industry that you're working in, does not mean it's automatically going to work or not work for you. There's so many different factors. There's so many different variables that come into play that really make it important for you to understand and have the right expectations going into marketing campaigns, that marketing is not a one size fits all. And just because we're doing something for another company, either in your city or in your location, does not mean that we are going to recommend the exact same types of services or the exact same types of marketing channels for you. They might be at a different point in their business. They might have more or less money in their marketing budget. They could have different intake and onboarding processes for their clients, differentiating from yours. So marketing is absolutely not a one-size-fits-all approach. Make sure you understand that. Make sure you know that going into these marketing campaigns so you can set the expectations for yourselves and for whoever is doing your marketing, whether you're doing it internally, you're hiring out it to another company, whatever that might look like. Just make sure you set the right expectations and everybody is on the same page. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.